Hey on Fish, it's a rainy day. I tilt my camera down 30 degrees. Sometimes you get the best shot of skyscrapers when you tilt up at 30 degrees and you look straight ahead. My camera's charged 100% and I leave it on until I finish my ride. And when I get back, I'll look how many percentage I have and I'll mark it down in the video from 100 to whatever it is. And I don't use 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 batteries. I'm happy with just one. And if I needed extra power, one of those bad boys acts as a power bank with my cord wrapped around the stem. Are we going? Are we going? Do we just go around? We go around. He saw me, he let me go, and that's the courtesy what we do. All right, I'm at the edge of the pier. Yes, indeed. High tide. Here's the key. I'm gonna go to the other pier. It was a smartphone being charged by power. I'd rather be on the other pier, which is lit up between the two boats. So here we are. I remember the other pier. It was like twice the width. There goes the rat. See him go? He's going all the way down into the lighting system. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 doesn't have the strongest magnet like the competitor, the DJI Osmo action cameras that you could put on to the pole and not worry about it falling. But you can get optional mounts, and that would do the trick. Get rid of the mount that they have, make it flat, and the rest is history. So yeah, I really enjoy using more the Insta360 series products. And yeah, DJI got the best battery life out there, and they're doing something right. Imagine if Insta360 can do the same, bring up that battery life. Now, I am going to ask the question if I could get to the person's channel and say, could you do me a favor? And this may confirm my purchase. Take your camera and film the Insta360 Go. Don't start it up when it's brand new for that day. Take it out of the case, hit the start button. I want to see how quickly it starts and records. Then do me a favor. Hit it again. And do me one more favor. The same thing in its case without starting the camera that day. Let it run for 8 hours. Stand by. And that would make my decision for a purchase of a Go Ultra. And then I'll have everything I would need in the world. I could then put the Ace Pro 2 aside and have something that's better in battery life, quicker in start time, and have everything POV standard, which I don't have to have a giant camera anymore. But I don't love the mounting system. All right, so get yourself a different type of mount. But on the standalone, on the little POV camera detachable, that's where the problem will come about. The mount be too big. Maybe, burn some holes in there, make your own little mount system, hook it up, and the camera won't be waterproof. Well, that's where DJI Nano kind of wins the cake. But all the issues that it came out with will be a perfect mature camera down the road. Every time I put this, Insta360 microphone on, every single time, it doesn't lay the correct way. It lays the wrong way. And I want it to lay the correct way. That's why I like a square mic. I don't love a round mic. But it's doing its job for you. And a little headache for me. It is what it is. Now, do you need to have a mic? Well, I am on noise canceling, and let me see if I could do it correctly. Double tap. 1, 2, and we are off of noise canceling, and you may hear the wind rustle. I have you got it, my own little modified mic muff. And I am gonna put it back on, put it back underneath my shirt. Apologize for the ruffiness noise. Now, I was going to say something, I just lost the whole track of it. It's still about the mics. The square mic is nice, does a great job. And this is the problem with Insta360 mic, and they have to resolve the problem fast. I don't know if they did. If you start up the microphone and that battery goes dead, you know what happens? The video stops. If you shut off the mic by accident, you know what happens? The video stops. With DJI, it just keeps on going. The wind is going that way, baby. I figure I'd get a video out here, and let me tell you, I have a Windows PC and a Macintosh, and I reset my machine so this time I can watch YouTube smoothly. I had a lot of issues, a lot of stutter, a lot of hourly glass circles and white screens, and that's in 360p. Was it YouTube? No, it was my Windows PC. Something on the format, the reset, just wasn't right. Well, I am Fish, and I'm at 91%. I probably end up at about 89%, and I am going to be cutting this out. Now, I am looking. I think that is a plane, maybe a helicopter. I don't think it is a drone. And I got a lot of things to do, and I got to go meet up in Joe, and the holidays have been over. Time to get back to beeswax and take care of things. I got a perfect thing I'm doing today. Get it on done. And that is a weather station. Perfect day for it. Wind's going to rain all day or clear up all afternoon. It's supposed to be raining from the wee hours. And here it is. Time for me to get on going. I'll see you on the next one.